So, you don't want to replace the new Tacoma with a Nissan Frontier or a Honda Ridgeline. What about a Chevy Colorado or a GMC Canyon? Let's go take a walk and a drive through a local car lot. All right, we've got a couple of dealers here. Looks like both are Riker. This is in Central Ohio, by the way. I remember when Fred used to play his guitar on his commercials. Kind of gonna date me a little bit there, but there's a GMC, what is that? AT4X. Love the color. It's a 6.2 liter. Wow. I kind of like that. But we're here to look at the smaller trucks, right? So we're going to just cruise on back through Chevy here. I think we have Chevy on the right. I haven't been to this dealership in years. So we'll see what they have. Looks like a whole lot of Chevy somethings on the right. SUVs. Pretty futuristic looking, actually. Wow. I kind of like those. I guess I haven't looked at Chevys in a while. Let's see what's on the right. We have a Colorado right there in black. On the right, Trail Boss. Actually looks pretty good. I think that looks better than the Frontier for sure. Just trying to get the lay of the land right now. Got some Chevys over there, but those look to be full size. There's their service bay. Not really interested in that. All right, we're going to do a little bit of a turnaround here. Looks like there is a Colorado sitting back that way. Let's zoom around here. There we have a Colorado. Looks like pretty bare bones. That would be one right there that I'd be interested in looking a little bit closer at. Again, that looks pretty bare bones. Does have a rear slider. It's the Z71, I guess. Beside it is a Trail Boss. Colorado as well. Now, one thing about this dealership, they used to modify trucks. The GMC side that we're going to pull up on here, they used to modify trucks, lift them, all that good stuff. And they do it on the Canyons. And some of them look good. I actually thought about buying one a long time ago. These are GMCs on the right. Oh, we've got a Hummer over here on the left. Check that out. That's the first Hummer I've seen up close. Pretty big. It is an EV. Not something I would be interested in, but that's my first Hummer sighting anyway. Let's drive on through. We've got some Sierras here. And I'm not seeing any Canyons so far. They surely must have something sitting back here. Some Denali's. That's a full size, of course. And Sierras. Maybe the Sierra is... No, they're the full size. There's a couple of Canyons. Check those out. We've got a blue one. This is an AT4, whatever that is. And then beside it is a white one. I don't know. I kind of like those too. And again, I like those better than I do the Frontiers. Let's go back around the other side here now. I did see some up front. There's a nice looking red right there in front of us. That is pretty slick. I'm not seeing any modified in here, which again is a little unusual. This dealership traditionally had a couple of modified. There's that Hummer again. Let's go back up here to the front. We have some used vehicles and things over here on the side. Not really interested in anything used, but I am curious on this blue. This has got to be a full size. This must be up here on the left. This is a Sierra. And for kicks, let's get you a shot of it right up against it. There you go. It's a 6.2 liter V8 AT 4x, which to me means it's a 4x4. Nice looking truck. I kind of like that. We're not here to look at full size trucks though, but still a pretty nice truck. There is a black Colorado. It is, looks like it might be used. I'm not sure. Let's see if I see a sticker on there. I do see a sticker. Let's take a real quick look. Might as well get out and take a look. There's a red one up there too. Might take a quick peek at that one as well. But anyway, since we're here, you know, I can't stand it. Let's take a quick look at this. This is the Chevy Colorado Z71. And this one, let's see, it's priced at $51,625. And it is, let's see here. Trying to find the powertrain. It's a 2.7 Turbo Max 8-speed. So I'd say that's relatively comparable to the Tacoma. Does have a spray-in bed liner, does have a window back there, and looks like they've added a Simonize for another $1,300, so you're at about $53,000 for that vehicle. Real quick, before I get captured by a sales guy, look at that orange there on the Silverado. There's another Colorado over there. This is a pretty slick looking red too, man. Check that out. I kind of dig these. These are nice. This is $44,485, and it is a 2.7 liter Turbo Max 8-speed. This must be the more bare bones, and Colorados are typically more money anyway, but no liner in here. We do have a steel bed. Looks like it has that maybe funky folding tailgate. Maybe not. Does have a measuring stick across the top there though. And lastly, let's look down the line there. Lastly, I want to check this other Colorado here. It's another black one. This one goes for $50,430. So these are not cheap, and it does have that $1,200, $1,300 Simonex on it. Steel bed, so no liner, and does have a rear slider in it. Let's see if we can't get you a view on the inside. On the other side, I guess. I'm not sure how well you'll be able to see that. Does look like a bit more upgraded, if you will, interior. You guys can see there. Still has the floating screen, some stitching in the front part there. I don't know if you guys can see that. Maybe some stitching. No stitching on the seats, but a little bit of decoration in it. Not too bad. Not too bad. Anyway, I just wanted to come by, kind of take a look, see what they have here. These really are a slick looking truck. Again, look at this red truck. That thing looks pretty darn cool. I kind of like it, and I would say if there wasn't a new Toyota Tacoma, wow, I might actually be interested in something like that. That is pretty darn slick. Anyway, leave a comment. Let me know what you think. These are 2.7 liter turbos, so you're not going to get rid of the turbo, but maybe that's enough appearance-wise that you'd be interested. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there. Bye.